Hi, I'm Philip from IPAC. Today we're at Intelligent Membranes HQ and we're going to be doing some doff cleaning on this wall ready for Passivhaus Brick Seal to be applied. For that we'll be using a doff cleaner. The difference between a doff cleaner and a pressure washer is a doff cleaner is low pressure superheated water. Using this method you will have no damage to bricks or your mortar. Often we are asked what chemicals we would use to clean stone. As an eco-friendly company, we try and use the doff cleaner wherever possible, which is a soft wash, no chemicals and would not damage any of the stone. If you were to look at this wall, you think it were ready for brick seal, but as you can see, there's algae at the bottom, which will need to be removed before application of Passivhaus Brick Seal. So after we've washed it with the doff cleaner, we then apply Passivhaus Brick Seal. This side, no Passivhaus Brick Seal and the water penetrates. This side, the water just repels straight off. This is just one of the services we provide at IPAC. Get in touch, find out more.